Deep in the cosmos, 10 billion light years away, lies one of the most terrifying discoveries in human history. It could swallow our entire solar system in a single gulp. This is a black hole. For decades, we thought we understood them, but the truth about what actually happens inside still haunts physicists. Now the biggest question remains: what actually happens inside a black hole? Is there anything solid at the center? Or is the entire black hole made of nothing but pure energy and warped space-time? Theoretically, could something pass all the way through to the other side? Or does the gravity become so powerful that every single atom is completely destroyed and converted into pure energy long before reaching the center? Even the smallest particles get ripped apart. The black hole's gravity is so extreme that it converts everything, matter, atoms, even entire stars, into pure energy. One of the most mind-bending ideas comes from the holographic principle. Scientists now believe that everything that falls into a black hole is actually stored as information on the two-dimensional surface of the event horizon itself, like a giant cosmic hologram. The inside might be nothing more than an illusion, and all the real data stays encoded on the boundary. Even crazier, recent quantum calculations involving replica wormholes and quantum islands suggest that information might slowly leak out through Hawking radiation in an extremely scrambled form. If true, then falling into a black hole doesn't mean total destruction. It could mean your information eventually returns to the universe, just in a form no one could ever recognize. From the outside, they look like perfect cosmic traps. Light itself cannot escape. But cross that invisible boundary, the event horizon, and everything changes. Time slows to a crawl. Space itself bends. Scientists call the process spaghettification. The gravitational pull on one end of any object is millions of times stronger than on the other. Bones would snap. Molecules would tear. At the very heart lies the singularity, a point of infinite density and infinite gravity. Here, Einstein's equations break down completely. Time and space swap roles. Physics as we know it ceases to exist. General relativity says everything is crushed out of existence. But quantum mechanics says that cannot be true. Information cannot simply vanish from the universe. So what really happens inside? Could there be a firewall of deadly energy, a quantum bounce, or even a portal to another universe? Some wild theories suggest that inside a black hole could lie a white hole, or the seed of a new baby universe, meaning every black hole might be giving birth to an entirely new cosmos somewhere else. No one knows for sure, because nothing that crosses the horizon has ever sent a message back. Recent theories suggest even more bizarre possibilities. Some physicists propose that entangled particles inside and outside the black hole might be connected through invisible wormholes, the famous ER equals EPR conjecture. This could mean the inside is not a simple crushing point, but something far stranger. There is also the idea of a firewall, an invisible wall of deadly high-energy particles right at the horizon that would instantly destroy anything crossing it. Or perhaps a quantum bounce that prevents the true singularity from forming. And the black hole itself is not eternal. Stephen Hawking discovered that these monsters slowly evaporate through Hawking radiation. Over trillions of years, they shrink, grow hotter, and finally explode in a burst of energy. But the biggest mystery remains. When the black hole vanishes, where does all the information go? Your atoms, your memories, everything that made you, you, destroyed forever? Or cleverly encoded and released? This paradox is forcing scientists to rewrite the fundamental laws of reality. Black holes are more than cosmic predators. They are the ultimate testing ground where gravity and quantum mechanics collide. They may hold clues to the birth of the universe itself. We may never know the full truth, because once something crosses that horizon, its story ends for everyone on the outside. So the next time you gaze at the night sky, remember, silent, patient monsters are lurking out there, capable of stretching matter into nothing while guarding the deepest secrets of existence. That is what makes our universe both breathtakingly beautiful and utterly terrifying. If this journey into the unknown sent chills down your spine, smash that like button right now. Subscribe and turn on the bell so you never miss the next mind-blowing cosmic mystery.